guys, stay with me. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Amy. Today I'm making golden tea. So I'll start with my meal on my stove on a low medium. This golden tea is good to boost your immune system. It's for digestive. And if you have joint issues, joint problems, you need to drink this golden tea when you sleep every night. It's the best. Just a little water because the milk is perfect. It is my turmeric. You can say that I have still turmeric. We need some ginger. A biscuit to be delicious. Trust me. You love it. Then we need a pinch of black pepper. So here our cinnamon. This is good. Golden tea is good for your health. Actually, if you have problems with arthritis, if you have joint issues, now I'm working night currently, so I feel like when you don't sleep during the day, you sleep the night. The night was meant to sleep, and they was meant to work, but it's life for you. So we need this golden tea. And this better sleep, sound sleep. It helps also in boosting your immune system. As you can see, it's boiling. Let me just give it a little bit stir so that it doesn't get stiff. For sweetening, we are going to use, this is my honey. This is actually raw honey, as you can see. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of honey. Depends on your choice. How sweet you want it. This is natural honey, so it's good. I'll use my spatula to take my honey from Mexico. A little bit fat. It's so time to boil. Guys, you can see our golden tea is really ready. Just need to remove it and let it cool.